Now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 constructions, exercise 11.1 third question. In third question they tells about a constructed triangle. Measurement also they given 4 centimeter side measurement, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. In this way measurements are given. Then afterwards they are telling you draw a similar triangle. The similar triangle it equal to 7 by 5. Scale factor is given us 7 by 5 times the corresponding side of the original triangle or another triangle. The side of the similar triangle is equal to the 7 by 5 times the corresponding side of the other triangle means original triangle. We want to prove that also by justification also. We want to prove the similar triangle side is equal to 7 by 5 part of or 7 by 5 times the corresponding side of the original. So first of all what we want to do is draw the original triangle. How to draw the original triangle? With the help of this measurement original. How many sides values are given? 3 sides values are given. What are they? 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Then how to start? Highest value take and start. What is the highest value here? 6 centimeter is the highest value. So you start with 6 centimeter. Take 6 centimeter in your scale. 6 centimeter. And usually base part we give name as BC and top point we give name as A. That's why here a triangle name also not mentioned. We only give a ABC triangle. So BC part mark here. How much centimeter? 6 centimeter. Next we take a 4 centimeter. How to take a 4 centimeter? Using compass we take how much? 4 centimeter measurement take and draw an arc. So 0 to 4 centimeter take, 0 to 4 then B as center, draw an arc like this. Same way next third measurement is which one? 5 centimeter. 6 already completed, 4 now completed, then remaining 5 centimeter. Take 5 0 to 5 centimeter take and C as center, opposite arc, draw opposite arc. The two arc intersecting were here, intersecting go in the mark required alphabet A. Join A to B and A to C. We get a required original triangle ABC. This is our original triangle. ABC is our original triangle. Measurement here 4 centimeter. This side represent 5 centimeter like this. Here one thing is in which way the similar triangle side scale factor they given 7 by 5. Numerator is greater than denominator. Last class we learned that scale factor is numerator less than denominator. Case our similar triangle where it come inside the original triangle. But today we going to learn about scale factor case numerator greater than denominator case similar triangle comes outside the original triangle. That's why extended AB side and BC side are extended to outside. So we extended AB side and AC side. AB side also extended same way. Why? Because similar triangle comes outside the original triangle. That's why we extended there. Then next process same as our second problem. Next what we want to do? Draw an acute angle. Here acute angle name as CBX. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Measurement we call it as an acute angle. So CBX is our acute angle. mark that CBX is an acute angle, X point marking. That means BX is our ray, BX is the ray, CBX is the acute angle. Then again look at the scale factor. Scale factor of the similar triangle they given as 7 by 5. Which number is greater? 7 is greater, bigger number. That's why in a rare case, how many points we want to mark means 7 points we want to mark it on the BX line array. How to mark? For convenient, last class also we learned. For convenient, 1.5 centimeter is then only here big diagram will get 1.5 centimeter width take and each points are marking is best. So 1.5. From B to 1 point, how many points mark? 7 points. 1.5, 1.5, 7 points we want to mark. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then one more point. One more here extending this line. Here 6, 7. So in this way 7 points we mark. Here basis of scale factor bigger number we mark that. Then each point we want to give a names. How to give the scale use or a compass use and mark the points anywhere you can use. Scale here see 1.5 centimeter 1.5 scale use and mark the 7 points, or compass use and arc draw and mark. Any method you can follow that. Here B is the point, that's why we can mark B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. In this way points are marked. Then next we want to join. How to join means basis of denominator, the scale factor denominator. Scale factor denominator which number given? 5. 5 means not simply 5. From B5 to vertex of the original triangle C vertex we want to join. From B5 to original triangle ABC is the C vertex join. From B5 to C vertex, just we join these 2 points. B5 to C, C vertex joining. Next process through B7, draw a parallel line to B5C. Draw a parallel line. How to draw the parallel line means already we learned 2 methods. Direct method or arc construct and doing method. Any method. Direct method means just adjust your scale from B7 to draw a parallel line to where cut over this line. That way draw a path. That cutting point mark an alphabet. Here C means this point mark it as a C dash. Or arc wise how to draw? Take a B5 as center. No measurement, nothing is there. B5 as center. Draw simply one arc there. B5 as center. Draw an arc. Same measurement take B7 as center, draw a same mark and don't fold your compass, same mark here also draw. These 2 are intersecting point joined with a straight line, that is a parallel line for B5C, cutting point mark as C dash. Same process. Original triangle case also, side AC case also, draw a parallel line. Here also in which way we can draw the parallel line? Direct method or here arc construction. Direct method means adjust your scale, draw the parallel line like this. Adjust your scale and draw the parallel lines in this way. Or otherwise arc case in which way? C as center. Draw an arc, C as center, no measurement, nothing. Simply draw an arc, same arc, C dash as center, same arc draw, C dash as center, same arc and here to The two arc intersecting point, adjust your scale and draw the parallel line for AC. The cutting point here, A means this point is A means this point we can consider it as A dash. So which is our similar triangle? A dash B C dash is our similar triangle. ABC is our original triangle. I hope you can understand how to construct the original triangle and similar triangle. Here steps we require. So steps, what are the process we done for construction work? First step, first what we done here, here draw a triangle. Which triangle we give the original triangle as? ABC. Draw a triangle ABC. What are the measurement? BC side we consider it as 6 centimeter. AB side consider it as 4 centimeter. And AC side consider it as 5 centimeter. In this way, first we construct a original triangle. Second step, next process here, next process is draw an acute angle. Draw an acute angle. Acute angle. What is the name of that acute angle? CBX. CBX acute. Where we draw? On the base BC. On the base BC. On the base BC, first of all we draw an acute angle. Then afterwards mark BX as BS as ray. BX is our ray. BX represent ray means one initial point. This next second side represent as a point. That second side is point is opposite point is extending point. Then third step what we done here? Just join. Then next mark. How many points on the BX line? BX line 7 points. Mark 7 points. Where we mark? On ray BX. We mark a 7 point on ray BX. In which way we are marking B1, B2, B3, B4, etc. up to B4. That is short form. That is B1, B2, B3, etc. up to, so B4 not B7, up to B7 points are marked there. Then each of them distance how much? Each of them width become 1.5 centimeter. That also remember. Then long diagram, big diagram will coming there. So that is such that what we can say, such that here each of them have a same width. That means B2 B1 is equal to B1 to B2 is equal to etc. B6 to B7, all of them have a same width. How much width? 1.5 centimeter width they have. Then fourth point. Next what we done here? Just join B5 to C where join B5 to C. First of all, the next step is join B5 to C. Next step is, I hope you can understand this one. Next one is draw the parallel line. Fifth point is draw B7 C dash, B7 C dash parallel to which side? B5C side. B5C side, draw a parallel line. Then sixth point, same way top part. This is down part case. Top part also draw which line? C dash A dash. C dash A dash parallel to which side? AC side. Then therefore we get required, that is our aim, get required similar triangle, which is a similar triangle? A dash B C dash is our similar triangle. We get therefore we get a required similar triangle A dash should be C dash. In this way construction doing time we get the similar. Then justification. What is our justification? We want to prove that similar which is a similar triangle side A dash C dash is the similar triangle side, that is equal to the 7 by 5 times the 7 by 5 times equal to the corresponding side of our original triangle AC. That is our aim. So we want to justify that answer. So next step, justification. Justification, how to justify their BPT theorem applied. BPT theorem applied time we required two triangles. Here first which are the here extra lines review. Here which are the two first we consider top triangle, afterwards down triangles. Here in top two triangles are there. One is our original triangle ABC. Second is our similar triangle A dash B, C dash is our similar triangle. Then already we proved that AC side is similar to parallel to which side A dash C dash side of our side of the similar triangle. Then here we apply by BPT theorem. BPT theorem says that parallel lines intersect the side of a triangle, it divide into equal ratio. That's why which are the parallel lines? AC side and A dash C dash are the parallel lines, it cutting the side. Which are the side? This side this B A dash and B C dash side are cutting in equal ratio. In which way ratio wise, right? AB side by A dash B ratio wise. Repeat theorem. AB side by A dash B is equal to down part BC side by a BC dash. BC side by a BC dash. Mark it as equation and later we want. That's why mark it as equation 1. Next down part. Here also two triangles are there. Which are the two triangles? BC B5 is the first triangle. Triangle BC B5 is the first triangle. Second triangle B C dash B7. Triangle BC dash B7 is our second triangle. Here also BPT theorem. By BPT theorem, here also already we prove which are the parallel lines. B5C is, here also we can write B5C is parallel to which side? B7C dash. Then applying BP, here I am going to write applying BPT theorem, applying time by BPT theorem, two parallel lines which are the B5C and B7C dash are the two parallel lines, intersect the two sides of this triangle. Then they intersecting and make a same ratio. So ratio wise telling them BC by a BC dash ratio is equal to B5 by a then B7 ratio. B7 ratio. But we know that B to B5 distance is how much? Here to here distance is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 point distance is there. Then B to B7 how much distance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 distance. So B5 is distance is 5. B7 distance is how much? 7. There you mark an equation number 2. Then compare first and second equation. From first and second equation comparison doing time. First equation and second equation, see both of them have a BC dash. Here also second equation BC dash. They are cancelled. Leave it. The remaining part write together. Which are in first equation which ratio is remaining? AB by A dash B is remaining. That is equal to second equation which ratio is remaining? B5 by B7 is remaining. remove here same ratios removing after remaining ratios are like this. But using second equation B5 and B7 value is how much? 5/7. So instead of next step, instead of that place, we can write it as 5/7. B5 and B7 place we can write it as 5/7. But here our ratio is in which form here? We want in which way? Similar triangle, side of the similar triangle is equal to the 7/5, 7/5, not 5, 7/5 times corresponding side of original triangle. Yeah, which is a similar triangle side. A dash B is the, see, A dash B is this side. A dash B is the side of the similar triangle. That side is equal to 7/5. That's why the similar triangle side is sent it to right side and keep it in one side. And fractional number 5/7 goes to left side. You change it in which way? We can write 7/5. So we can write it as 5/7 goes to left side, you change it to 7/5, and original triangles, which is original triangle, ABC is origin, and one side is given, AB side is the side of our origin. So 7/5 into times AB is equal to this side goes to right side means A dash B, or clearly we can write it as a similar side of similar triangle is equal to 7/5 times side of corresponding side of the that corresponding side. We consider which side? A dash B. Corresponding same side of the original triangle is which one? AB side. Not to this side. Corresponding side. That word is very important. Corresponding side of the original triangle. So it is equal to that. These things given in the question. We proved this one by using justification. I hope you can understand this question. Then next we go through fourth question. Fourth question, here one isosceles triangle is given. Isosceles specialty, any two sides become equal. Isosceles triangle is given there. All sides not given. They given as a base of that isosceles triangle is given. Base of isosceles triangle is 8 centimeter. Base of the isosceles triangle they mentioned as 8 centimeter. And the altitude also there. Altitude means height. Altitude also they given. Altitude is 4 centimeter. In this way given. Altitude of the isosceles triangle is given as 4 centimeter. There also they given as the similar the side of the similar triangle is equal to the 1.5 times the corresponding side of the other triangle. Other triangle means original triangle. How much part? 1.5 times the corresponding side of the origin. 1.5 is a mixed fraction. How to convert mixed into improper? Cross multiply and add with the numerator. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3/2 centimeter. 3/2 is the scale factor. So we got our scale factor as 3/2. Using the scale factor, same process, but here slight difference. All sides values are not given. They give the clue as it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles specialty, any two sides become equal. Which side is given? A base side is given there. So here we can start with them. Base part. Base part we consider it as 8 centimeter. There we take it as AB as a base. 0 to 8 centimeter. 0 to 8, mark it as A and B 8 centimeter. Next side value, note that this is height of the triangle. Not the side. Height of the triangle is given as 4 cm. Altitude means height of the triangle is given as 4 centimeter. Then next remaining side, how to find out means draw the perpendicular bisector. Draw the perpendicular bisector for this AB side. How to draw the perpendicular? Previous classes we learned perpendicular bisector means how to draw a take AB side measurement, take more than half take. Here AB side measurement is how much? 8. Half of 8 become how much? 4. More than half. 4.5 or 5 centimeter. Take in a compass, draw the perpendicular bisector. I take 4.5 centimeter. Half of 8 to become 4. More than half, 4.5 take. A as center, arc drawn like this. Up and down, same arc were B as center, same opposite arc also, up and down part were joined. Then these two arc up and down joining with a straight line. Clearly you want to join these two part joined with a. This is the perpendicular for which side? AB side. Perpendicular, cut the AB side, a cutting point. You can give any alphabet. I mark an alphabet as a O here. Then next afterwards triangle altitude is given. How much is there? 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter take in a compass and O yes, where we keep a compass? O yes, center 4 centimeter arc to draw on the perpendicular. This perpendicular and arc cutting point you mark your required alphabet as C. A, B is the required alphabet, which one are remaining? C. Then joining A to C and C to B. Then you get isosceles triangle. So we remember A to C distance and B to C distance are equal only. They are isosceles. These two sides are equal. Then look at it. Then remaining. Same process only. How we done previous process? Same process. First what we want to do? Draw an acute angle. First we check the scale factor. Scale factor means similar triangle. Ratio is given. How much? 3/2 is the. They mentioned the scale factor, which is bigger and numerator is greater than the denominator. In that case, in our similar triangle comes which where it comes inside the original triangle or outside the original triangle. Outside the original triangle. That's why AB side and AC side are extended to the outside. Why? Because similar triangle comes outside the original triangle. That is the reason. That is the reason. Outside. So both sides are extended. Then afterwards, what we want to do? Draw an acute angle. Which is our acute angle? BAX is our acute angle. Draw BAX as our acute angle. Small line enough. Acute angle. And give mark it as here arrow mark. AX is the ray. Ray means one is initial point, other is extended side. The point. That's why AX is the ray. Where we mark the points. How many points here we record for marking? Scale factor highest value is 3. Meaning 3 points. Mark it on the AX ray. 3 points how to mark? We need each points same width. That's why for convenient, how much centimeter we consider? 1.5 centimeter. 0 to 1.5 centimeter. Take 3 points. Mark in which way? From B to A to from A to 3 points. Mark. First point, second point, third point. In this way. So this much length need not but 3 points only. Then next process, what here doing? Basis of denominator, join the vertex of the original triangle. Which vertex? B vertex. Here B vertex is that. Then basis of denominator, join the vertex of the original triangle. Which vertex we want to join? B vertex. Here denominator is which point? B. And here 2. 2 means here mark it as A1, A2. This point mark it as A3. A2 to B, just we want to join. A2 to B point, just we want to join. Vertex B and A2 point join. Next process, draw the parallel line for A to B line. How to draw the parallel line? A3 from A3 to two method are there. Directly draw the parallel line or here arc construction doing and any method. So A3 to scale adjust and draw the parallel line. No parallel line to which side? This side to draw the scale adjust and draw the parallel line for A to B. Cutting point mark an alphabet as B dash. Here B, that's why this cutting point, intersecting point mark as B dash. B dash A3 is the parallel line for B A2 line. Same at top also. Here also direct. Here in which way arc construction? Take A2 as center. A2 as center, draw an arc. A2 as center, draw an arc. Same way A3 as center, same arc draw here. Then same distance. A3 as center, draw the same arc here also. Draw the distance between these 2 points are taking. Then through that point joining. Then next process, draw the parallel line for a BC side also. How to draw? Directly draw, scale adjust and draw directly, or otherwise in which way we can take here parallel lines construction to be here in this way. Parallel line, there you mark here, see this point is C means the cutting point, intersecting point, mark it as a C dash. Or arc construction means B as center, draw an arc. B as center, draw an arc. Same way, B dash as center, same arc draw. And here in this way, these 2 points are intersecting. Then C dash. So which triangle comes as similar triangle? C dash A. B dash is the similar isosceles triangle. CAB or ABC is the isosceles original triangle. C dash A, B dash is the similar isosceles triangle. This is the construction. I hope you can understand how to construct. Then next we want to write the steps. How to write the steps? First, what are the steps required for construct an isosceles triangle? First step, that construction work, writing the first step. First what we done? Draw AB base. Draw base AB is equal to how much centimeter? 8 centimeter. Second step, draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of AB. That point. Then here next distance is how much? Height is how much? OC is the height. OC is equal to 4 centimeter altitude. Mark OC is equal to, or mark OC is equal to 4 centimeter. Full detail need not, but OC is equal to 4 centimeter. Mark OC is equal to 4 centimeter. Then join which point? AC and join AC and BC. We get a required isosceles triangle. Second step like this. Third step as usual. Draw an acute angle. Acute angle. Name as BAX. BAX is the acute angle, and mark AX as ray. Then next fourth step, mark how many points? 3 points where we mark on AX ray. AX we mark 3 points. 3 points on AX ray. That is in which way we are marking that one? here mark it as A1, A2, A3 such that each of them distance how much? 1.5 distance. So each of them width is A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3. Each of them width is 1.5 centimeter. Next procedure, join A to B vertex. Join, fifth step, join A2 to B vertex. The next sixth step, draw parallel line. Draw A3B dash parallel to A2B. This is our down part case. Then top part case in which way? Draw there also draw B dash, here C dash, B dash C dash, B dash C dash parallel to which side? BC side. Then we get, therefore we get required isosceles similar triangle. We get required similar triangle. Name it as AC dash B dash, AC dash B dash, or C dash A B dash. Any order you can write. We get a required similar triangle AC dash B dash. This is the required step. Then next justification. We want to prove the similar side of the similar triangle is equal to the 3 by 2 or 1.5. 3. We convert mixed into improper. 3 by 2 times the corresponding side of the original triangle. So justification case. Justification. First, we consider two triangles. Which are the two triangles? Original isosceles triangle. Which is original isosceles triangle? ABC. Then which is our next similar triangle? A triangle AC dash B dash is the similar triangle. Then what we can say, BC side of the original isosceles triangle and B dash C dash are parallel. Already we proved that one. They are a parallel line only. Then here we apply a BPT theorem. BPT theorem applied, then these two parallel lines intersect the side of the triangle and they make a equal ratio. So ratio wise how to write? AC side by this AC dash side, ratio of AC dash side is equal to AB side by AB dash side. There we mark it as equation 1. Then next second down two triangle consider. Which two triangle? A2 and AB dash A3 are the two triangles. In triangle, first triangle is AB A2 and second triangle name it as AB dash A3. AB dash A3 is a second triangle. There also which are the parallel lines? A to B side is parallel to A3B dash. A3B. Already this part also we proved that they are parallel only. Here also by BPT theorem, parallel line A2B and A3B dash are intersecting the sides and they make an equal ratio. Which are the ratio? AB by AB dash. AB by AB dash equal. Next side is A2 by AA3. AA2 by AA3. Then here see A2 distance is how much? 1 and 2. So this part represent as 2. Next A2 A3 distance 1 and 2 and 3. So how much distance it have? 3 distance. There you mark an equation 2. Then compare first and second equation. This is a first, this is a. So comparison from equation 1 and equation 2. See AC AB and AB dash side are the first and second equation. Same side ratio is that only. Remaining part, right? First equation remaining ratio are AC by AC dash is equal to. Second equation remaining side is AA2 by AA3. Then, but you from equation 2, A2 by A3 value is how much? 2 by 3. Next step we can write AC by AC dash is equal to, instead of this part, we can write it as 2 by 3. Here also we want to prove that similar, which is the similar triangle side. AC dash, see, AC dash is the side of the, this is our similar triangle. AC dash B dash. AC dash is the side of the similar triangle and AC is the side of the original isosceles triangle. So in which way we want to prove? Similar triangle side is equal to the 3 by 2 times original. That's why AC dash send it to right side. So to going then 2 by 3 send it to the left side or left side. 2 by 3 goes to fraction number goes to opposite side. In which way we writing a reciprocal take and right. So 3 by 2 into here left side, which side is there? AC is there. Equal this part AC dash send to right side. So otherwise we can clearly write it as AC dash is equal to 3 by 2 times AC, meaning is AC dash is the side of the similar triangle, that is equal to 3 by 2 times AC is the side of the original isosceles triangle. I hope you can understand how to do the constructions. Next class we go through another questions. Thank you.